Welcome to our channel Strand Stars. In the last video we saw the Rubik's Cube top layer formation. Now in this video I am going to show you how to form this second layer, and in my following videos I will show you all color formation. So let's go to the video. In the last video I have explained how to form the top layer. So I formed white color top layer, and at the side we have green color T, and we got this red T formation, blue T formation and orange T formation. Now we can see how to form this layer. Okay, only this layer alone, that second layer alone. Now the first and only move we are going to form the second layer using a single formula, that is hide and seek formula. So we have to bring this block either to here or to here. That is the operation, only operation we are going to do. So the formula is hide and seek formula. The block we are going to concentrate is only this block. Okay, we can take this block from here to here or from here to here. Okay, in all the sides. Okay, let's see this block. See, this is yellow block, so you take it to yellow side. This is red side. Okay, you take it to yellow side because this is yellow block. Take it to yellow side. No yellows are there. Here T, red T, here blue T, here orange T and here green T, and opposite to that is white. So the yellow block is at the down, so you please leave it. Okay, we can form it at the end because yellow side is at the bottom, so leave that. So concentrate on some other blocks. Let's solve this block. Okay, this block is green block. You can take this block either to here or to here. Okay, see where to form this. The other side is orange. Okay, green and orange. Is this on this side or this side? This side. Okay, this is orange side and this is green side. So we have to take this block from here to here. Okay, so if you want to move the block from here to here, first move is hiding the block on opposite side. We have to take this block to here, so opposite side is this one. So you take that block opposite to the position. This is the position. Take this block to opposite position and hide it. So I hide the block. Okay, now this is the position. You bring this position down. Okay, don't turn the cube, maintain the same side. Okay, you have hidden the block and taken the block from downside, and you have to seek the block, hidden block. Okay, if you hidden one block, no, you have to seek that block. So seek it, and you brought down the layer, no, you have to take it up. Okay, take it up. Okay, now the block will not be formed. Okay, you please don't see it now. You have to use the formula again. You have to use the formula 2 times. Okay, one time you have used it, another time you have to use it, but in different place. Okay, if you switch on to the top side, you can see the white color has been missing. If you form this white color, this block will get formed at the end. Okay, so you please concentrate on forming the missing block. Okay, see, this is the missing block, white, and it is missed here. So take it, turn it this side, and you have to use the same formula, hide and seek formula. This block should be here. Okay, so you take it to opposite side, hide it, bring it down, seek it, take it up. Okay, white color has been formed. If you see this, if you see the green color, the block might have formed. Let us check. See. Okay, green and yellow, orange block has been formed. So when I use the formula again, you can understand it clearly. Okay, let us see some other block. Okay, likewise we have to form that. See, this is a yellow block, so leave it, it has to be at the down. Okay, next go to some other block. See here it is orange, so bring it to orange side. I brought it to orange side. Okay, you check the opposite side, it is blue, so orange blue should be here. Okay, not here, it is orange and green block, it's already formed. Okay, now this block should be taken to this side, so opposite to that is this one. So hide this block to opposite side, bring this down, seek the block, take it up. Okay, now it will not be formed. You please don't worry about that. If you see on the top, white color has been missed, so turn the cube to this side. White should be here, so take it to opposite side, hide it, bring it down, seek it, take it up. White color has been formed. Now the block we need might have been formed. Check it. See, orange and blue block, it might have formed. Okay, it is formed. Okay, so we got the block on using the hide and seek formula 2 times. Okay, so if you want to bring the block to here or here, you have to use hide and seek formula for 2 times. Okay, let us see this block. This block is blue and yellow block, so yellow should be at the down, so you don't disturb this block. Okay, go to some other side. See here, this is blue and red block. Where should it be? It should be on this side. Okay, so use the hide and seek formula 2 times, in the same manner. Okay, it should be brought here, so take it to opposite side and hide it. So hide it, bring it down, seek it, take it up. Okay, when you check it on the top side, it is missing. Okay, you form this missed block. See, turn the cube to this side, this block should be turned here, so you hide it in opposite side, hide it, bring it down, seek it, take it up. White has been formed. Now blue and red block is also formed. So you check for some other blocks. It is red and yellow, so leave it. It is blue and yellow, leave it. Yellow should be at the down, so I am saying. Okay, now it is green and yellow, it is also in the same layer. Okay, now it is green and red block. Where should it be? It should be here, green and red. So now the operation is, we have to bring this block to here. So opposite to this is this one, so you have to hide it in the opposite side. So this block should be hidden in opposite side. So hide it, bring it down, seek it, move it up. Okay, when you check on the top layer, white is missing, it is here, so turn this side, it should be brought here, so hide it in opposite side, hide it, bring it down, seek it, take it up. Okay, so green and red block has been formed, so the 2 layers has been formed. Okay, orange orange, green green, red red, blue blue. Okay, so only one formula is used for forming the second layer. Okay, that is hide and seek formula. Do remember that. Okay, and third layer, for the formation of third layer, we need 3 formulas. Okay, I will be covering that in my next video. So do watch my next video for third layer formation. Subscribe my channel and give your support.